Apple TV Plus price history. Apple TV Plus has seen several price adjustments since its launch in 2019. Initially introduced as an affordable streaming service, its pricing has increased as Apple expanded its content library and invested in high-quality productions. First launch price, 2019. Apple TV Plus debuted on November 1st, 2019, with a price of $4.99 per month. An annual plan was offered at $49.99 per year. Apple provided a one-year free trial for customers who purchased a new Apple device, iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. Second price increase, 2022. In October 2022, Apple raised the monthly price from $4.99 to $6.99 per month. The annual subscription increased from $49.99 to $69.99 per year. Apple justified the increase by pointing to the growth of its original content library and investment in new series and films. Second price increase, 2023. In October 2023, Apple raised the price again, increasing the monthly fee to $9.99 per month. The annual plan went up from $69.99 to $99.99 per year. This price hike aligned with Apple's continued expansion into original content, exclusive sports, MLB Friday Night Baseball, and film production. Fourth, Apple One. Bundle pricing changes. Apple TV Plus is also available in Apple One, a bundled subscription that includes multiple Apple services. As Apple TV Plus prices increased, Apple One plans also saw adjustments. Individual plan increased to $19.95 per month, includes Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud, plus 50 gigabytes. Family plan increased to $25.95 per month, same services with iCloud, plus 200 gigabytes. Premier plan increased to $37.95 per month, includes Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, and iCloud plus 2 terabytes. 5. Free trial history, 2019 to 2021. 1 year free trial for new Apple device purchases. 2021 to present. Free trial reduced to 3 months for new Apple device owners. 7-day free trial still available for new subscribers. 1 month free trial available with Apple One. 6. Why did Apple TV Plus increase its price? Apple justified the price hikes by highlighting expansion of its original content library, series, movies, and documentaries. Increased investment in exclusive sports content, MLB, Friday Night Baseball. Growing demand for high-budget, premium storytelling. 7. How Apple TV Plus pricing compares to competitors. Netflix, $6.99 with ads to $22.99 per month. Disney Plus, $7.99 with ads to $13.99 per month. Hulu, $7.99 with ads to $17.99 per month. Amazon Prime Video, $8.99 per month, now includes ads unless paying extra. 8. Future pricing trends. With Apple continuing to expand its original programming and sports content, another price increase is possible in the future. However, Apple TV Plus remains ad-free and still costs less than many competitors. 9. Is Apple TV Plus still worth it? Despite price increases, Apple TV Plus continues to offer high-quality original content at a relatively competitive price. It remains a strong option for viewers who prefer exclusive, premium storytelling without ads. Apple TV Plus started at $4.99 per month in 2019, but has since increased to $9.99 per month as of 2023. As Apple invests more in original content and sports, further price adjustments may occur in the future.